Welcome back, dears, to the last part of today's session. Let us have an idea about detergents and surface tension. Let us see how detergents work. Washing alone with water can remove some of the dirt, but it does not remove the grease stains. This is because water does not wet greasy dirt. We need detergent which mixes water with dirt to remove it from the clothes. Detergent molecules look like hairpin shape. When we add detergents to the water, one end sticks to water and the other end sticks to the dirt. As a result, dirt is getting attracted to the detergent molecules and they get detached from the clothes and they are suspended in the water. Detergent molecules get attracted to water, and when water is removed, the dirt also gets removed from the clothes. Now let us see this picture of how soap works. So with water alone, the grease and water do not get mixed up. When we are adding detergents, one end of the detergent gets attached to the dirt and the other end gets attached to the water molecule. And as a whole, water molecule gets removed, or the dirt along with water molecules get removed. This is another picture showing cleansing action of detergents. Now the detergent action in terms of what detergent molecules do. So let us take image 1. The soap molecules with head attracted to water. In image 2, we can see the greasy dirt. In image 3, water is added but dirt does not get removed. In image 4, when detergent is added, the other end of the molecules get attracted to the boundary where water meets the dirt. In image 5, the dirt gets surrounded by the end and dirt from the clothes can be removed by moving water. In image 6, dirt is held suspended surrounded by the soap molecule. Hope you might have got an idea about detergents and surface tension. That is, detergents reduces the surface tension of water. Thank you, dears.